Okay, so this is the 2018 paper. So we're at section A, question 1 for foundation level. So you're given this table here. You have a range of numbers and there are stars above each of those. And what this is the age and years of the children in a particular class. So it says the line plot shows the age and years of a group of children. So what this tells you is there was one child that was 2. There was 2 children that were 3. There was one child that was 4. There were 3 5-year-olds, 3 6-year-olds, 1 7-year-old, 2 8-year-olds, 1 10-year-old, and 1 12-year-old. So the first thing you want to do is find the total number of children in the class. Well, the easiest way to do this is just to count the X's. Okay? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 children. Now the next thing you're asked to do is find the average age of the children in the group. Now again, you're going to have the ages and the crosses, but this time what you're going to do is you're going to multiply how many crosses there are with the age of the children. So if there are 3 crosses, if there are 2 crosses, it's by 2 and so on. But let's have a look at it. So 2-year-olds, there are 1. Okay, and then once you multiply them, you're going to add them all together. Plus 3-year-olds, there are 2. Plus 4-year-olds, there's 1. Plus 5-year-olds, there's 3. Plus 6-year-olds, there's 3. Plus 7-year-olds, there's 1. Plus 8-year-olds, there's 2. Plus 10-year-olds, there's 1. And plus 12-year-olds, there's 1. Okay, and when you've added them all up, multiplied those and added them all up, you're going to divide them all by the total number of children, which is 15. So all of those divided by 15. So 2 by 1 is 2, plus 3 by 2 is 6, plus 4 by 1 is 4, plus 5 by 3 is 15, plus 6 by 3 is 18, plus 7 by 1 is 7, plus 8 by 2 is 16, plus 10 by 1 is 10, plus 12 by 1 is 12, and that's still all over 15. So now we're going to add those together. So when you add all of those up, you get 90, and that's still over 15. Now, you're down to a simple fraction, 90 over 15. Fractions, just as you know, are proof that God exists because these are the work of evil. These are the work of the devil. We hate fractions. So we're going to get rid of the fraction. And all a fraction means, if you look at it, it looks like a division sign. One number, a line, another number. So it just means divide. So 90 over 50 means 90 divided by 15. And when you do 90 divided by 15, you get 6. So the answer is the mean age is 6. That's the mean age of the children. Now, write down the range of ages of the children in the group. Now, the range of ages in the children in the group is what's the youngest is 2, to what's the oldest is 12. And if you leave it at that, that's the answer that's in the back of the book. That seems to be fine. You can take it one step further if you want, and you can take the big number and subtract the small number, and you get 8. But if you leave it like that, that seems to be a perfectly acceptable answer for foundation level. Okay, what percentage of the children in the group are 7 or older? So what percentage are 7 or older? Well, first of all, you have to find out how many are 7 or older. So the 7-year-olds, you have one of them. 8-year-olds, you have 2. 10-year-olds, you have 1. And 12-year-olds, you also have 1. So the amount of children that are 7 or older, I mean, if you want, you can just count up the crosses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, the amount that are, again, add them up, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5. Now, to start off turning that into a percentage, write it over the total. So it's 5 out of the 15 are 7 or older. Okay, and we're back to our friend, the fraction again. Now, to turn that into a percentage, what you can do is you can put that fraction into your calculator and multiply it by 100. Just to break it down, 5 over 15 means 5 divided by 15, which gives you 0.3333333. Now we call that 0.3 recurring, okay? And another way of writing that is a third, okay? But 0.3 recurring. Now that's to get this bit, then you have to multiply it by 100 to turn it into percentage. Anytime you're dealing with percentages, 100 always comes into the picture. Multiply that by 100 and you turn out that your percentage is 33.33333. Now those 3's go on and on and on. Okay, so the way you can write that, if you don't want to write a million 3's, is you can call it 33 1/3%. Okay, and that is how you do question 1.